life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live the life of a boss player that's even getting high. Hey, to my nigga Pac. Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player that's even getting high. These niggas got me toasting shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers suffer. Up in the bins, burning rubber. The money is mandatory, the hoes is for the stress. It's criminal lifestyle. You crook with the bulletproof vest. Make sure your eyes is on the meal ticket. Get your money, motherfucker, let's get rich and real. Kick it, all eyes on me. Live life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live